Jersey. Manhattan in southeast New York.
Oh, God damn it.
Southeast New York. Buckskin, northeast New Jersey. Essex County in northeast New Jersey. Hudson County in northeast New Jersey. Brooklyn in southeast New York. Until 5:30 p.m. At 4:39 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Harrison and moving to
Whoa.
Hackensack, Union City, Hoboken, Battery Park, Ridgefield, Soho, Park Slope, East Village, Lower East Side, Brooklyn Heights, Upper West Side, Midtown Manhattan, Fort Lee, Englewood, Central Park, Morningside Heights, Crown Heights, Long Island City, Harlem, Astoria, Triborough Bridge, RFK Bridge, Mott Haven, Riverdale, Jackson Heights, LaGuardia Airport, Forest Hills, Clearview Expressway, Whitestone, Droggs Neck Bridge, Ozone Park, Kennedy Airport, Jamaica, Howard Beach, Flushing, East Tremont, Co-op City, and Bayside, in addition to large hail and damaging winds. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect.
I don't know why she doesn't get inside.